Luminette is a very easy-to-use device. Take the Luminette and remove the blue protective film covering the hologram. Be careful not to damage it during this step. Then charge the device. Insert the USB end into a charger you own and plug it into a wall outlet. Next, connect the USB-C end to the Luminette. The charging indicators blink slowly while the device is charging. The Luminette is fully charged when the LEDs stay steadily lit. Then, remove the cable before use. To switch it on, press the power button briefly. With this same button, you can choose between 3 brightness levels. This choice depends on your light sensitivity and the time you have. The higher the intensity, the shorter the session. Adjust the device using the nose piece. The Luminette is correctly positioned when the blue light enters your eye. For narrower faces, use the plastic ear hooks provided. You can continue your usual activities while keeping your eyes open without looking up or staring directly at the light. Once the session is over, the Luminette blinks once and shuts off automatically. The remaining battery level is shown when you turn the device on. Finally, store the device in its case so it's ready for the next day.